So well everyone, right now the traffic is increasing, so just tag along with me on this drive as well. So yeah, now I think the camera is fine in position. Let me see if the video is coming well. Yes, it is. Now we have to get out of this place. I just came out of the fitness time gym. We can go straight into this parking behind us, and from there we take a turn. Now also I need my sun shades. Okay, so here we are, the exit, a rather tight turn on the exit, and then actually there's a U-turn just ahead, but oh, it's over there. Yeah, I saw it on the map. So what I will do is I'll make a circle around the block. Let's do it a little bit back. We need people to not get bothered with our presence over here. Okay, let's see, someone just came in from this side, giving us enough margin. So we go from here. No, there's no space over here. There's no space. Actually, this was supposed to be, oh, I thought this was a street, but up ahead it's closed. So now we have to go back. So let's see if someone gives us some space. No one's ready. Yeah, now we have some margin. Okay, now we shall go in from the other side. That's a weird sort of parking, by the way. Seems like a street. Oh, okay. In Riyadh, there's a lot of problem with the traffic. Now we take a turn from here, inshallah. By the way, I can have dinner from actually it's 6 p.m. already, going to be 6 p.m. It's 5:36. Even if I have a meal, it would be a dinner, but we have some buffias and other sort of restaurants as well. Okay, what else do they have over here? I should have gone from the other side, but well, I'll go from the next. Well, I think I should have dinner first. We shall have dinner. Let me find a parking space, because well, I missed the exit over there, and sometimes things are for the better. Let's find some parking spot up ahead. I really hope we do. Yeah, this is a parking. Okay, yeah, this is a parking, but this is, you see, a handicap parking. So I will go back, and since I saw this other parking at the very last time, so I'll have to do a little bit of reverse to come in here. You see, here we go. Wow, gonna have dinner there somewhere, and then I will go back home and focus on my video editing and all that. So well, it was just a short drive. I'll see you later, everyone. Stay blessed.